Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are HTML characters, symbols and emojis and how they are used. HTML character entities are used as a replacement for reserved characters in HTML. For example, less than and greater than sign are used to define HTML tags. If you want to display this sign and this sign in HTML, you need to replace these with HTML entities, so that the browser should not interpret them as HTML tags. As you can see in this code, you can either use entity names or entity numbers. Entity names have this structure. Entity numbers have this structure. In case of entity numbers, you can use this code for less than sign and this code for greater than sign. Entity names are easier to remember than entity numbers because they often correspond to the character they represent. A commonly used HTML entity is the non-breaking space, as you can see here. It is mostly used to prevent browsers from truncating spaces in HTML pages. For example, if you include 5 spaces in your text, the browser will remove 4 of them. To add real spaces in your text, you can use this character entity, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Here you can see some more character entities like ampersand, quotes, copyright, etc. To add symbols like the symbol of pound or euro to an HTML page, you can utilize either the respective symbol entity name or the entity number, which can be a decimal or a hexadecimal reference for the symbol. Here you can see some commonly used HTML symbols such as pound, yen, euro, infinity, etc. HTML emojis. Emojis resemble images or icons, but they are actually characters from the UTF-8 Unicode character set. UTF-8 encompasses a vast range of characters and symbols from around the world. Here you can see some commonly used emojis. This was all about HTML table headers. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.